My people, now welcome back. It don't happen. Wahala don't tie rapper, and Dubai they call them brothers.
Alright, my people, now welcome back to this channel. So now know we bring on the latest and trending news as they happen, and so we the person they bring on. This one not auto, this one not it don't scatter.
Ọlọ́run ti bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n ó gbéjọba náà kalẹ̀ fẹ́ni tó wọlé. Báwọn kan ti ń sọ pé ìjọba náà ó dáa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ làwọn míì ń sọ pé ìjọba tí ó lè dáa ni. Ojúmọ́ kan, ìran kan ni. Àwọn wòlíì àti pásọ̀ tí wọ́n lọ́rùn rá wọn iṣẹ́ ni wọ́n sì pọ̀ jù nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ náà nínú ìṣòro tó ń kojú wa ní Nàìjíríà.
Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Aki gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ pátápátá tẹ́ ń wò wá. As una know na this channel we dey bring on as dey hot. We dey let una know say your language no be barrier. And we go dey calm down to make una know as e dey hot. This one what we wan bring to una for this channel this very moment na about 3 different categories of people, which are the pastor, the prophet, and the Muslims. Well, we don see am say a lot of people don come outside concerning this 2023 election, wey dem don even talk their mind say if truly they serve God, say na so person go enter. Some people even predict, that is some pastors they don dey predict now when no be bet Naija. Even some prophet they come outside dey insult one another based on top of wetin dey happen. My people go like make una just calm down, make una reason things together. Who are those that they are being convincing? Who are they convincing? Na the human, that is the citizen of the same country. Na then they convince. When person go tell you say this thing today na blue, but based on the fact say the thing no enter or the thing no dey legit, you come still look and say the person come out tomorrow still tell you say that thing wey you tell you say na blue, come tell you say na black. How you go feel? Now wetin some people never still understand on this matter of prophets and politics and prophetess and pastors. Now wetin some people never understand be that some people even talk say if they predict say Tinubu go enter and he enter, they go come meet you tell you say, if they no tell you say this person go enter, so you just say wetin dem dey tell una na legit. On top of all these things, orishirishi things wey be say just dey happen, na there some people don take their stand. They don turn guessing into prophecy. They don dey mix Bible with other things. My people, me go always dey tell una make una read the Bible on yourself. Now when you read the Bible, you go feel know say this one na legit, abi this one no be legit. Yes, so based on this political and the pastors matter, na there we take see another person wey be say talk say na Peter Obi go win. Some people even don come outside dey talk things about wetin they see for dream.
The law will settle the whole Ghanaian court. If anybody said he wanted to go to court, he should go. But they should. And this is the most fairest election so far in Nigeria.
Wọ́n ti tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí. Irọ́ kò jẹ́ ká mọ̀ òótọ́. Ìsọkúsọ sì pọ̀ jọ̀rọ̀ tó ní làákàyè lọ. Ẹlòmíì nù wọn ò rí ìnà kankan o. Yóò kàn máa parọ́ ojúkorojú fáwọn èèyàn. Ọ̀rọ̀ táwọn olóṣèlú tàbáràlú kọ̀ọ̀kan ń sọ nílé ọtí, lórí rédíò tàbí láàrin ọjà lòun náà ń gbọ́, tí ó sì sọ yẹn dìran, tí ó sì máa gbégbèkúgbè kiri, tí ó sì máa fọ̀rọ̀ náà táwọn ará ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì rẹ̀ jẹ. Àwọn míì lérí léka kí wọ́n tó dìbò yìí. Wọ́n ní tí Tinubu bá fi wọlé, káwọn ará ayé àtàwọn ọmọ ìjọ ọ̀hún mọ̀ pé kì í ṣe Ọlọ́run ló rán àwọn níṣẹ́. Tinubu ti wọlé, wọ́n sì tuntun bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí pariwo míì fáwọn èèyàn wọn. Bí ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn aráàlú yìí ló lágbòjúlé àtìgbàgbọ́ nù wọn. Bóyá wọ́n sì fi nǹkan rìn wọ́n mọ́lẹ̀ tó yàtọ̀ sọ́nà Ọlọ́run wọn. Débi páwọn tó ń tẹ̀lé wọn yìí ò ronú páwọn èèyàn náà lè parọ́ ńjọ́ kan báyìí. Gbogbo ohun tí wọ́n bá sọ òótọ́ ni lójú wọn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn èèyàn wọ̀nyí ló jẹ́ rọ́lábí lórúkọ wọn. Ẹ̀tàn ni wọ́n fi ń ṣayé. Kò sóhun méjì tí wọ́n ń wá ìdí iṣẹ́ Olúwa ju jíjówó lọ. Owó làwọn náà ń wá. Oníṣòwò lásán ni wọ́n. Díẹ̀ ni wọ́n sì fi yàtọ̀ sáwọn tí wọ́n ń ṣe yahoo. Àwọn tọ́lọ́run pè nú àwọn èèyàn yìí ò tó nǹkan rárá. Àwọn tí wọ́n ń forúkọ Ọlọ́run lu jìbìtì káàkiri, tí wọ́n sì ń jaráàlú lólè ló pọ̀ nù wọn. Níbí yìí ló ti yẹ kí ìjọba dá sọ́rọ̀ wọn. Èyí tí wọ́n kọ́ka àwọn èèyàn sókè, èyí tí wọ́n dá àwọn aráàlú lórí ìbò tó lọ yìí tó gẹ́. Ìsọkúsọ tí púpọ̀ nù wọ́n sì ń sọ lórí àdìbò. Wọ́n gbéjọba sílẹ̀, wọn ò gbéjọba sílẹ̀ yìí ó ṣèlú láǹfààní. Ó kàn ń ba nǹkan jẹ́ sí i ni. Ohun táwọn sì ṣe ń ṣe ni láti ta tẹ́tẹ́, bẹ́nìkan bá sọ̀rọ̀ kan nù wọn tó padà rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yóò lóhun tóun rí nìyẹn, òun lẹni tọ́lọ́hun bá sọ̀rọ̀ jù, kò sí wòlíì tàbá ríran bí òun. Àwọn aráàlú tẹbi sì ń pa, àwọn tí yà ń jẹ nítorí péjọba kùnà ń di ètò rẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń jẹ wọ́n níyà, táwọn lóṣó tàbájẹ́ ló wà ń di ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn. Wọ́n ó sáré gbọ́dọ̀ àwọn wòlíì èké àtàrínà ìyà yìí lọ, àwọn náà sì máa tú wọn jẹ ìwọ̀nba owó tó bá yẹ kí wọ́n ná sára wọn. Àwọn tó ń fọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn ṣòwò náà ni ó sì máa gbà lọ́wọ́ wọn. Àsìkò ti tó kíjọba dá sáwọn ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí, nítorí fàsẹ́yìn làwọn ọ̀ràn burúkú yìí mú báwọn aráàlú lápapọ̀. Àwọn tí wọ́n nígbàgbọ́ pọ́rọ̀ tí wòlíì tàbí pásítọ̀ kan bá sọ fáwọn nìkan ni ó ṣẹ. Ọ̀pọ̀ òṣìṣẹ́ mọ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọn ò gbìyànjú láti wọ́rọ̀ ọ̀nà ajé mọ́, tàbí kí wọ́n fi tọkàntọkàn ṣiṣẹ́ ìjọba tàbí iṣẹ́ ajé tí wọ́n bá ń ṣe. Nítorí ọ̀tọ̀ lohun tí wọ́n ń ṣe, ọ̀tọ̀ lọ́nà tí pásítọ̀ ni wọ́n ó gbà rówó. Ẹni tó ń gbẹgbẹ̀rún lọ́nà 50 náírà lóṣù, tó níyàwó 2 àtọmọ 8, àwọn èèyàn yìí ó sọ fún un páwọn oṣù àdúgbò wọn ló ń yọ lẹ́nu. Àgbàná ni wọ́n gbélé e lọ́wọ́. Ǹjẹ́ bùkátà tó wà lọ́rùn ẹni yìí kò jàgbàná London? Àwọn ọ̀ràn tí wọ́n ń rí fáwọn èèyàn yìí kò jẹ́ kí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́. Owó òjijì, ọ̀nà àlùmọ̀ǹkọ́rọ́ ìlókù tí kálukú ń wá. Ohun tí ó sì ṣeé ṣe làwọn pásítọ̀ sọ pé ó ṣeé ṣe. Bọ́rọ̀ bá dà báyìí, ìjọba ò lè dágun lájàre. Pápá àwọn aṣáájú ẹ̀sìn, àwọn olórí ẹ̀sìn gidi ò bá káwọn wòlíì yahoo wọ̀nyí. Ó tàkókò kíjọba dá sí i lódodo.
My people, make we no dey deceive o. I believe say this year people don wake up, especially youth of Nigeria. They don wake up o. They don talk their mind say nobody fit deceive them again. So whether you be pastor abi you be Muslim, say nobody fit deceive them again. Na still on that same matter, we take dey see say some people dey reason am say they suppose to arrest all these pastors wey be say they just dey deceive people, dey collect money for their hand. You know say many people don fall victim of many pastors wey be say they go just predict, and when the thing enter they don take them as their god. My people, make we no fall for this kind thing. Everybody dey work for living. Everybody dey work for living, whether you be pastor, you be imam or Muslim. Your major aim na to make money, but then no be everybody dey do this one o. Some people major aim na to make heaven. So you go need to get connected to God so that person no go come deprive you of your rights. They talk say DSS no suppose to dey arrest yahoo people alone, say they suppose to dey arrest pastors wey be say they dey give prediction and they dey talk one today, tomorrow they go change their mouth. They even talk say most pastors and prophets say na wetin be their gain, wetin they go gain na im make them dey talk all this kind thing. While person go dream say na Peter Obi go enter when they don already give certificate to Baba Jagaban. You know say many things just dey happen. My people, no forget so we dey try to bring on as e dey go on for Nigeria, and things wey be say we dey see, we dey like make una sef dey reason am with us. Make una no forget to share your opinion for this comment section. Wetin you think about pastors for this past election wey just happen for Nigeria, both the presidential and the governorship election wey happen for Nigeria? How you take reason pastor take play out for this kind things wey be say dey happen? My people, make we hear your opinion for the comment section. No forget, so if you never follow us, you no go dey see more tori when we upload am. This one na the channel wey we dey bring you as e dey hot. My people, make we see you on our next one. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.